Be ready, start. This is a reference placed before the full bench pursuant to the administrative order passed by the learned Chief Justice in view of the order dated 6th September 2018 passed by the division bench of this court is statutory appeal under the Central Excise Act 1944 from the order dated 12th November 2013 of the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal. The division bench has referred to the full bench the following questions of law for consideration. Para. Whether the question of taxability and excisability of goods is an issue of rate of duty arising from orders of the tribunal which are appealable only to the Supreme Court in terms of section 35L in bracket 2 of the Act applies even to appeals from order of the tribunal passed prior to 6th August 2014, that is the date of insertion of subsection 2 to section 35L of the Act. Para. Whether the amendment made to section 35L of the Act on 6th August 2014 by insertion of subsection 2 therein is clarifactory or perspective in nature. Para. The division bench, while hearing the appeal from the impugned order dated 12th November 2013 of the tribunal holding that certain goods were not marketable and therefore not classifiable under chapter 37 heading 3707 of the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985 was confronted with the issue whether such an order is appealable to this court or the Honorable Supreme Court under the Act. The above issue has to be decided on the interpretation of section 35G in bracket 1 and 35L in bracket 1 and 2 of the Act, which are as follows. Para. This reference was made because of divergence of views between two earlier division benches of this court in respect of maintainability of appeals before this court from the orders of the tribunal deciding taxability of service and excisability of goods in the context of section 35G in bracket 1 and 35L in bracket 1 and 2 of the Act. The apparent conflict is between the decisions of this court in Global Vectra Helicorp Limited versus CST Mumbai and Bajaj Auto Limited versus Union of India 2016, decided on 24th June 2015. According to the referring division bench, the decision in Global Vectra Helicorp Limited Supra of this court held that in view of section 35G in bracket 1 and 35L in bracket 2 of the Act, the question of taxability or excisability of goods for the purpose of assessment would not be an issue of rate of duty. Therefore, an appeal from the order of the tribunal on the issue of taxability or excisability would be maintainable before this court and not before the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop.